Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is a brand new updated tutorial, guys, showing you how to get infinite luck in Still a Brainrot using a working code. This is going to get you infinite rainbow luck and max luck, guys. This is basically just going to make you get all the best secret brain rots in the game. I'm sure you know how luck works. But yeah, this is a simple Still a Brainrot code that you can use right now for infinite luck. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do it, guys. It's going to take a few minutes, but it is well worth it. So you can see, guys, I've got my mobile phone here. I've opened up the internet browser and I'm going to go to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you've got to type it like this into your mobile phone. And I found this website when I was actually searching a method on YouTube on how to get infinite luck. Most of the methods didn't work, but this one did. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. You've got to go to the search bar and just search for Still a Brainrot. And they do have a codes page here. As you can see, there's a few different codes. So when you scroll down, I mean, you can get a code as well for the second and third floor. You can also get all secrets, so this is going to get you every secret brain rot. But this is the one, guys. Get infinite luck in Still a Brainrot. And this is a simple, limited code that's going to be personal and unique to you. And you can redeem it in your game, and it's going to give you infinite luck. And it's just basically going to churn out all of the rainbow brain rots and what have you. Really awesome. So you can see, guys, this code will be revealed after verification. So like I said, these are limited codes to you. And as you can see, these they're not unlimited number of them. So basically this prevents people from stealing all of the infinite luck codes. So you got to click on this button to get your code and follow these instructions. Long story short, you just got to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this screen. They're all completely free. It will take you a few minutes, which I know can be annoying, but I think it's worth it. I mean, if you don't think it's worth it, you can just switch off this video, but it will take about 5 minutes. It is completely free, and then your code will be unlocked. So if you follow the instructions on that previous screen, your Still a Brainrot code for infinite luck will be revealed. You can redeem it in-game, and that is how to get max infinite luck in Still a Brainrot using a code. Easiest method, by far the quickest method. They do have other codes as well, so feel free to have a browse, but head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, drop a comment in the comment section below, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys.